My name is Daniel Egan. I'm the Vice President of Marketing and Customer Experience for Precision Garage Door. We operate in 5 states: Michigan, Indiana, Texas, Delaware, and Maryland. Very early on, I was brought in as a consultant, initially in the digital marketing space. And as my relationship with the company evolved, I became the marketing director and realized very quickly that a modern business needs a lot of different areas of expertise in marketing. What we came to realize along the way is that we needed one agency to really be the master of all those areas and facilitate our relationships with the other partners that we were using, and No Advertising fit that bill perfectly. What No Advertising helps me do as the Vice President of Marketing is focus on the high-level metrics of the business. They really help me free me up so that I can spend time with ownership, with the other executives, to make sure that I understand where the business is heading. I then bring that to No. They're effectively my advertising, they're not my advertising agency, they are my marketing department. And they're working on the nitty-gritty. They're doing the blocking and tackling. I'm showing them where we're headed as a business, where we want to go, but they're really executing the day-to-day details to help us get there. What I enjoy most about working with No Advertising really is that they are a world-class group of marketing and advertising creatives. So when I sit down with them and meet, I know that this is a crew that has been there and done that. They have a perspective that's incredibly valuable, and you're only as good as your team. Quite frankly. And I think we all know that in the world of business. You're only as good as the people you surround yourself with, and that's why I've teamed up with No, because they're just a group of experts. And I know we can make really good marketing and advertising decisions whenever we sit down. Every single brand, every single company, when it comes to marketing, has to figure out where they're positioned in rank with their competition. The Precision Garage Door brand is one that we've intentionally decided we are going to be best in class in terms of service, in terms of the quality of our products, in terms of the overall customer experience. We don't necessarily compete on price, but we will compete on damn near everything else, because we do want to be seen by the customer as the best choice, the excellent option. And so working with No, who prides themselves in being being specialists in helping brands portray themselves as an excellence brand, we find that matches perfectly with what we need and what the goals of our business are. No has done an incredible job collaborating with our organization as it's evolved over the years. Initially, it was just me in the seat as the one marketing guy, but my team has grown out. We're not entirely outsourced. I do have several other individuals that are involved in different aspects of our marketing operations, and No has just done a phenomenal job adjusting to our organization, the needs of our organization as we've evolved. A number of things have happened in the last 5 years that has brought on the success that our company has seen, but one of the most significant hires, so to speak, that I was involved with was bringing on No Advertising. Until that point, we had a real gap in our marketing strategy in terms of having a group of experts that were tying all of our marketing efforts together into one unified strategy. And we brought on No about 5 years ago now, and it's no coincidence that has correlated with about a 5 times growth in our business. There's a company in a similar position to where we were a couple years ago, considering No Advertising as an agency. I would not hesitate to give them a real serious look and give them a shot. This is a crew that has been there, done that. They have a track record of success in bringing businesses, of the $20 million level and up, to realize new growths and to break into new markets.